So in my previous video I have showed you the things, the those thing. Let me go to in those thing, like hold Alt key, Alt, press right arrow from your keyboard, which is in the left side with the number, the box appear. After that you can see a text tag. I have make you understand in the previous video English tag, foreign tag and initial tag. So you can see in here also. So on this video I will show you the keys, like two keys, like which is, we call this thing as a tilde key. And after that, in the next video I will show you the hash, which is filler word. So for this word, let me start with the filler word. Okay, like this one, hash. So at the first, let me clear those thing. Okay, so for the filler word, what is the filler word? I hope you know that, but let me clear it again. So filler word means like any person says ah, hmm, ooh, eh, hmm, ooh, whatever it is. Okay, and because sometimes it happens, because those are call recording. So sometimes it happens the person said uh oh, those thing. Okay, the person said those thing. Okay, for those tiny segment, if I goes to the tiny segment, like this one, okay, like this one is much tiny than those place. If I play this, okay, this one is the perfect place. Okay, so let me say it again, this one is the perfect place, but I have to say you, because you don't hear this audio in this video, in this training video you can't hear this. So for that I will say you that person, what the person said. Okay, the first word the person said oh. Okay, the person said oh, and in the second one the person said eh. The person said in the first word the person said oh, and the second wave, you can see wave from, you can see the person said a, sorry, a. First say oh and then say a. So those two are filler word. This one is 16 number segment. On the segment there is only filler word. Also mark that as a segment. Go to the go this speaker box, sorry, go that segment box, mark that as a man one, mark that as a speech, not a bubble, not a music, speech, because filler word also is speech. Okay, mark that as a speech and write the filler word. And how can I write it? Just get back your sheet. Whenever you get back your sheet, go to the slide in right, you can see there is a filler word, as I showed you in the first place. There is a filler word. So for that filler word you have to use, there is a like 16 filler word in here. I can't say because those are in Japanese, but I can say there is a u, ha, hi, hu, each and every filler word in here, like a 16 filler word. So you can use any filler word from here in the appropriate way, in the place where is needed, the which one is perfect for that place. Like this one is perfect for this plate, or this one, or this one, which one is perfect for that place, you have to use that, that filler word. Like suppose this one is says or like suppose this one is says ah. Okay, just for that you have to go to your sheet, sorry, go to your platform. You can copy it from here, but don't, no need to do that, because you just go through those filler word. Okay, those is this. Okay, I understand. Okay, this one is this. Okay, this one we use. Okay, I understand. Okay, I understand each and every filler. But after that, just come to this place in the box. You have to, at the first you have to put a hash. Okay, put a hash, and after that write the filler word, like a the person said oh. Okay, okay, the person says oh, and right now I'm writing in English, but you will write in Japanese oh, which in from this place, like this 16 word. The person says oh, along with the hashtag. I didn't put any kind of space after the hashtag. You can see I don't put any kind of space in here. Along with the hashtag you will write that oh. Okay, along with the hashtag you will write that O. After that put a space. I can hear the person said one more thing. What is it? A. Okay, the person said A. Put the hashtag again and then write A. A. Okay, obviously in Japanese. In A. Along with the hashtag. So this one is the filler word. Okay, it could be appear in the transcription also. Like suppose in this segment, like suppose the person said Japanese, 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 Japanese. After that, I'm just putting a space for showing you. Okay, don't do that, don't put that kind of space, put only one space between the words. So after that put a hash like this one. The person in the transcription, the person says Japanese, 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 Japanese. The person after that in the middle, the person says what? The person says okay, then you put a hash and write that filler word like after that the person said again Japanese, Japanese, Japanese. Just write it down, Japanese, Japanese, Japanese. And obviously don't write it in English as I said each and every time. Just write it from this place. Like there is 16 filler word. Just make sure which is appropriate for that place. That person said something, the person make any kind of noise which is appropriate for that place. You have to use that thing. Okay, you have to use that filler word on that place. Like the person said or the person said oo, the person said oo, e, or the person he, who, whatever it is, you will find it in here, and you have to use that thing in this transcription. It could be a middle in the transcription, it could be in a font, it could be in a in the last, and also it could be in a only one segment. Okay, let me show you now. Like this segment, like this tiny segment. Okay, I find the person says oh. What means, what is oh? So for this segment, mark this as a main one. Go to the select that as a speech. Write that thing as a hash o, again hash o. Okay, this the person in that tiny segment, the person says only filler words. You have to just write those filler words only. So this is the filler words. Okay, I hope you are understand about the filler words.